I'm Lisa and I am a legal assistant in Migration Department of the PRIKHODKO&PARTNERS Law Company. Today I would like to tell you about birth certificate for a child. Once in every created family happens one of the most happiest events in life, the birth of a child. Most often, parents being in a heightened emotional state forget to register the fact of their baby's birth. Therefore, the most important thing that parents are obligated to do after birth is to register officially their child in the State Civil Status Registry due to the place of residence of father or mother, or in the place of the child's birth within 1 month from the day of the actual birth of the child. If the application for registration of the birth of a child is received later, after the end of the 1 month period before the child reaches 16 years of age, then in this case you should contact the consular office and carry out registration at the place of residence of the child on general primary grounds. But in addition, in the regular registration with missed deadline will be indicated on the number. In such situation, you should simultaneously submit a certificate from a medical institution confirming the birth of a child, as well as a certificate on the health of the child, also provided in the medical institution at the time of birth registration. Applicable documents are a certificate of marriage or divorce of parents, or the death of one or both parents corresponding to this court decision. But what should I do in case when I left the country without having time to issue the certificate? In this case, the legislation of Ukraine provides a clear answer. You, as parents of a newborn, have the right to contact the diplomatic mission or consular institution of Ukraine in the country of your stay. In the future, registration will take place simultaneously with the correct definition and assignment of the surname, first name, and patronymic. Furthermore, if the birth of a child took place while the mother was on a sea or airplane or in any means of transport, then of course the best option for registration of the birth will be contact the nearest consular office. Whereas, if you don't have the opportunity to contact a diplomatic or a consular institution, then it is time to contact us. We will completely and definitely solve all your legal issues and in the shortest possible time. All that is required from you is a notarized power of attorney to our lawyers. Returning to the registration of the child's document in Ukraine, it is also worth adding a note about the necessary documents. These documents are, the first one is the document certifying your identity or the identity of the applicant, if it is not one of the parents. The second one is a document issued by a maternity hospital certifying the child's birth. Also, the parent's marriage certificate or written statement by father or mother about the validity of the child's ownership of the father. Subsequently, your child's birth certificate will be issued on the same day you apply to relevant structure. To sum up, I would like to add, if you were refused due to one of the reasons, for example, missing one of the documents from the medical institution, or there were certain difficulties with registration or submission of documents, then immediately call our migration department. We will undoubtedly provide you with a full consultation and help you solve any issue to achieve the desired result.